Hey guys, back with another video here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a face morph. These are commonly seen in minigame lobbies or any kind of lobby in that matter. They're also very easy to make, and hopefully after seeing this video you will understand the steps in making a face morph, and you'll find that it is surprisingly easy to do. So let's go ahead and get this started. First thing we need to do is insert a part into Workspace. Just want to bring it over here. And maybe make it a little bit closer to the center, because we might want to test this out later. Alright, finally we got it there. And also, you might want to scale the part too. Maybe make it something like 8 studs wide and make it a little bit taller as well. And if you want, you can customize the part. Let's make it institutional white, make it transparent, and you can customize whatever you want here. And make sure to anchor it too. It's very important, and let's just change all the surfaces to smooth. And if you want, you can name this part something like face morph or something. I just like to name my parts and scripts. It just keeps everything very organized, but you don't really have to. I just really prefer naming stuff. Next thing we need to do is put a decal on it. It's very important, and I'm going to tell you why later. It's very important for the script. So I have a face decal here. You can use whatever decal you want, so make sure you just have one here of your preference. I'm going to use one like this. It was created by my friend Benacho570, so thank you for that. It's a very, very mad face. So there you got that decal right there, and if you want, of course, you can name it. I'm just gonna name it face. It's pretty basic. And in this face morph, let's say when I touch it, not only is my face going to change, but I want it to have a little bit of a sound effect to it too. So we're going to insert a sound. You can either do this from advanced objects. So let's just get a sound in there. I'm just going to keep the name sound. So obviously for a sound you're going to need an ID. Just want to tell the computer which sound you want to play when you touch the brick. So I have a sound right here. So in order to get the ID, you have to copy and paste. You have to copy these numbers at the end of the URL here. And in sound ID, in the sound properties, we're going to type http://www.roblox.com/asset and then asset / ID equals, and then just paste the numbers in there. So you have the sound in there. And then, so we are ready to begin the script. So just go ahead and insert the script into the part. And if you want, I'm just going to name this morph script. Alright. So first thing we're going to need to do in the script, you obviously need to delete that part at the top. We don't need that. So we're going to start declaring some variables here. So you need a local variable, and we're going to use variables for the part, the sound, and the face, or the decal. So we're just going to give a variable, we're going to assign a variable to the part first. We're going to name it brick. So local brick equals script.parent. So since the script is under the part, it is inside the part, because we're going to be scripting the part to do something. So the script is a child of the part, or in other words, the part is a parent of the script. So it's script dot, you're linking script to the parent, so script.parent. So local brick equals script.parent. Then we're going to give it for the sound. Just going to name it sound. So local sound equals brick. You don't need to do script.parent because we already assigned that to brick. So brick face.sound. That's pretty basic. And let's do it for the decal as well. I'm gonna name it just local face equals brick.face. So that's pretty easy. Next thing we need to do is create a function for it. It's very similar to scripting a lava brick. All you need is just for it to find the humanoid of the character, and then you got your code from there. Alright, so we need to write out our function. Just put function here. And we're just going to name it something like onTouch. And then we're gonna give it a parameter called hit. Alright, so next thing we need to do in this function is we're gonna give another variable. We're gonna use this variable to find the humanoid of the player. Very important. So local h, let's name it. Local h equals hit.parent find first child, and then parentheses and quotations humanoid. So next thing we need to do is write an if statement. So if the humanoid is there, then we need to perform this function by playing the sound and changing the face of your character. So if, we're going to write an if statement. So if h is there, then, so just write if h then. You can also do something like if h is not equal to nil then, but a short way I like to do it, we're just going to write it if h then. So you got your if statement there. Next thing we need to do in this if statement is just, we're just going to say sound play. So we're just telling the sound effect to play, so that's kind of a basic part right there. And then we need to change the face. So I'm just going to explain this part real quickly. So in case you guys might seem a little bit confused on this, I'm just going to insert an NPC and just kind of show you. So here's a player model right here, my character. And as you can see in the function, which was h, we already assigned a variable to the humanoid, which is kind of the core thing of the character. So we assigned that to the humanoid, so we just wanted to be sure that the humanoid was there. So we're just going to write h.parent, so humanoid.parent, which is the player model, and then h.parent.head, because we need to find the head in here, and then we need to go to the face decal. So we need head.face. Remember to put that in as a lowercase. I make that mistake a lot because that's the name of the decal here. So parent.head.face.texture, which is just basically kind of like the ID of the decal. That's kind of what it is. So basically h, which is humanoid, humanoid.parent.head.face, and then the texture, which is the texture property here. And we want it to change to what is shown on the decal over here. So we want it to change to this angry face. So let's go back to our script and we just kind of want to make it face, which is right here. So face.texture, because we want it to be equal to the texture of the face decal, which is on the face morph brick. Alright, so that's pretty basic. We just finished our function there, and we need to go down and write the last part of a function, obviously. Maybe some of you guys know this already, is the connect line. So we just need to write brick.touched. So when the brick is touched, you need to perform this function right here. So the way we want to say that is :connect, and then write the function name in parentheses. So we can go ahead and test this out, and hopefully this might not be able to work. And if the script doesn't work, we have the output to display any errors in the script that are found. So let's touch this right here, and you just heard the sound play. And there you go, my character has a new face. And so yeah, that's it. So that script basically worked. And if you have any questions, be sure to ask me in the comments. I will hopefully answer as quickly as I can. So yeah, that's kind of it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and remember to leave a comment, remember to like this video, and subscribe. So, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you later.